Open the door. Oh, who's that? Oh, did the Easter Bunny give you a bunny?
Yeah.
Oh, how cute. You like it?
And I got a puppy
Jamie,
from the vet.
go outside.
shop.
Go outside. Find some eggs.
Oh.
I don't want to get more.
Oh!
I don't want to get more Easter Bunny.
Is the bunny giving you clues where the eggs are? Oh, she's hide. Oh, that bunny knows how to hide them.
Yeah. Guess what?
What?
The dog stole my Easter egg over there.
Yes, the doggy stole them from the flowers.
Yeah. And that wasn't nice. Oh, there's some. I have a duck truck to put him in. I have a duck truck to put him in.
Whoa, Danny, look! Danny, you're missing it completely. There's a surprise for you. Do you need me to help you hold some things?
Yeah.
I help you.
I like my puppy.
That's not a puppy, that's a bunny.
A bunny.
I'm going to go get something to hold your eggs in.
I got a dump truck.
A dump truck to hold your eggs in? Okay. Mommy's going to be... You need to find something in this tree first. Come find this, baby.
There's something in there.
Ah!
That hurt.
Oh, that's so cute. Easter Bunny's bringing you baby Easter Bunnies.
Oh, it's raining now.
That's why the Easter Bunny came just in time.
You came and got the Easter eggs this morning.
Yes.
Yeah, Uncle Ray.
No. Come on. Danny. Danny, look around. Look around.
Yes.
Danny, look over here. The dog found it.
Doggy! Where are you?
Danny!
Doggy!
Ooh.
I got stuck in the hole.
Okay. Let's find... Ooh, I found another. Look around. I found another.
Go hold it.
Okay.
And hold that.
Better look around.
Okay.
I found another.
Whoa! Oh, just the bunny. Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Aw. Danny. Hey, Danny. Look around. You found it. Easter Bunny will give you clues where there's some more. Danny, look at the Easter Bunny. He's giving you clues.
That one. I see that.
Hey, Mama. Mama, will you get me a bowl to carry these in or something?
I see something.
Is Daddy getting it?
This.
Oh, I found something. I'll put it in this.
Guess what? I'm going to preschool. Guess what? I'm going to preschool.
I already got something, Daddy.
Yay.
Danny.
Yeah, awesome bunny of it.
Aw, you're so sweet. Put them all in here, baby.
How many?
You got 2 little baby bunnies. Okay, watch the Easter Bunny. He'll show you where to find some
I'm
more.
gonna cut this Vacky, okay?
Okay, he'll show you where to find some more.
Vacky knows to find these eggs. Vacky, hey, what?
Woo!
My feet.
Do you need shoes, baby?
No.
No?
Papa mowed the lawn yesterday.
He mowed today.
Yeah, he mowed the lawn. I checked it.
You already had that here. Now watch the Easter Bunny. He'll show you where there's some more. Look at the Easter Bunny, baby. He'll show you where there's more. He's not going to tell you exactly.
Oh, I got a toy picnic set.
You need to find where he hid all your stuff, baby.
What is it? It's not a bit. Oh.
Woo! Very good.
I'm gonna call this Kanky.
Okay.
Is this Vacky? Vacky.
Remember, keep looking at the Easter Bunny. He'll point the way.